What's up guys, you're watching the Sick Show, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error. And the error is WS-116329-2. PSN sign-in ID or password does not match. So it's a network error, sometimes your PSN account error, sometimes it's log out, that's why. And I'm just going to share my screen on the left side, and here we are at the screen. So here we go to switch the user and put your sign-in ID, PSN account ID manually, and password. You must make sure that your email address and a password PSN account is correct. And after that, you just go check the system. User and account. Hey, your PSN account is logged in or not, or your PS5 console is logged in or not. Then go to the view PlayStation network services. Sometimes the server is down, that's why you get this error, because you are signed out, your PSN account is signed out. Here's the server is working up and good, so you have a local internet problem. So you must go to fix your own internet or a local internet, or you must contact with the local internet provider, and simply that's how you can fix this. The PSN account is not signed in or something. If you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box, and catch you later.